Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how you can easily check your battery health on your Mac. First things first, click on the Apple logo in the top left-hand corner of your screen. Then, select System Settings. Once the System Settings app is open, look for General in the sidebar and click on it. At the very top of the General settings, click on About. In the About section, scroll all the way down until you see System Report, and click on it. This will open the System Information app. Now, I want to quickly show you a couple of other ways to access the System Information app. The first way is again, by clicking on the Apple logo in the top left, but this time, hold down the Option key and then click on System Information. Alternatively, you can use Spotlight Search. Just press Command plus Spacebar, and type in System Information, and then hit Enter. Okay, now that you have the System Information app open, click on Power in the sidebar. Here you'll find detailed information about your battery health. Look for the section labeled Health Information. As you can see, mine is currently at a maximum capacity of 100% with the condition marked as normal. It also shows you my battery cycle count, which is currently at 43. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more Mac tips and tricks from Rome Tips.